I live in South Carolina. South Carolina too much clay in ground, and ground no good and too heavy. If you put compost, you'll be your vegetable production will be grow excellent, and you'll be have your home natural production and no chemical, because it's much better. Show right now how will be to make this compost, where pick up, how easy. Right now go next steps. First step, we're doing this looking right here, fireplace. We have wood, you see, like this wood, now finish it. A big wood take out and small wood, and we have ashes pretty good put together. And after fire, any place where you go, if you go in park or you go and if you look in some ashes, you have always basket or something bag and small shovel and pick up and put inside basket and bring for your home. Ashes very good mineral production right here. I show for you where we put these ashes in my property and show how process go step by step. Go. Some people doing a road right here and pushes top ground right here and mix together. You see this is wood and rotten wood stay inside. You see like this, rotten wood. And inside we have lots compost, wild compost, very good, wild compost, very good, and leaf and pine leaf and everything mix and top one ground. This wild compost you study for me my dad. I live in Russia. He study how pick up very natural wild compost. We go to forest, move out this leaf always and pick up wild compost. Wild compost have much better, no chemical. This chemical kill natural benefits for people. And better if you put for your ground, for vegetable, you'll be have healthy always. Too many people right now not healthy because have problem too much chemical food, because too much chemical in soil and ground. Use farmer everybody and say natural food. It's not natural food. If you want healthy food and natural wild compost homemade, you must come on to forest, your property, or forest government, or any place where you can pick up this natural compost. Come on, show for you more. Right here I am pick up this area compost for my property. You see, I am take out top one and bottom mix whiten wood, everything together, rotten wood. It's very good, and rotten leaf and pine leaf, everything small ground. You see like this, it's much. If you have a little bit sand, it's much better sand too. Doing ground very perfect. And if you're looking like this area, something pushing together wood, it's much better area. It's a lot better. You must pick up everything for your ground. You must have inside a car special basket, small shovel or something, and plastic bag where you can put something inside. And if you're looking much better compost, you must pick up this compost and put inside bag. How much do you need? Or put inside a basket. This will be natural. I pick up right here and go more another place where I have too much. too many, lots compost. A lot compost. We show next area where I pick up too much more. This compost we can pick up every area where we have permission. If some people say it okay, come on my forest and give for you permission, we can pick up this compost. It's much better. Too many people have forest. If you or big farm, nobody work inside forest. You come on inside between trees. We have live inside like this. You must moving outside a little bit more. Everything moving in the trees will be have always inside compost. Not too much, not too lots. Only top one right here. This area you see always good. This probably like this area. You can do it like this, clean up and out. You see, it will be easy and very good. Around trees we can pick up like this and put inside basket. It's very good compost. And go for your property. This is very softly, very nice. Sometimes right in wood, it's okay because a little bit more time will be. This is very good. And put inside car, and I put right here my shovel. Put inside cart and go for next area. What we doing next area? Right here we have compost ready. Right here my home. Right here ready compost. Very good. We bring more. We see like this clay very hard to grow plants because this clay no good. And if you bring compost and mix this everything, my wife mix like this, put right here, very easy grow every plants. And every tree same idea. You must put inside roots, inside hole between roots. This compost, trees will very excellent grow. Go next steps. Wild ground. You're doing like this. Pick up shovel and doing upside down. Doing right here. It's your ground. After finish right here, your background, you finish, cuts everything, grass out. After finish right here, what we doing? Put top this ashes. Ashes put top, right top one. After doing, pick up ashes and put top right here. Put top ashes. After finish ashes, think, lay down and put more and compost. Put top one. Again, separate, think, and after finish everything mix together. Ashes, compost, mix together. We have very excellent ground for every plant. Grow fast and better and easy for roots for every plant. Roots have air. Roots easy grow. Water easy grow inside ground. See like this, very good, too much benefits. After finish, you ready, go to flea market to buy but new plant. What kind plant do you want? It's flower, cucumber, dill, tomato, everything. What do you want? Eggplant. You'll be have natural production your backyard. You see what this ground? Nobody put right here nothing. We last year to buy this property, bought this property and put trees and put a small backyard. What to do first? First, shovel doing natural, this regular ground, this regular ground. We doing shovel, mix everything first. Second steps, we bring right here, put sink ashes. You see ashes? Sink right here, probably like this. Sink, put ashes right here and separate for everything where you put. Do you want put plant? What do you want? After this, we bring next steps. We bring right here compost. I show for you where we pick up compost. It's natural compost. Put top one, and put sink top one compost. It's not natural. This is not ready ground. After finish this, we come on right here. Pick up shovel and mix everything. You see, like what kind ground stay right here. You see, like this. Mix natural, good. Ashes, compost. What do you want to put for this ground? Looks like black. You can put this ground every plant. And tomato, we put last year tomato, grow perfect. Cucumber, grow perfect. Dill, parsley, everything grow excellent. This is ready ground. This is right now February. We have ready ground for new plant. If you put right here new plant, you will have natural vegetable, everything natural, no chemical, because everything we pick up from forest. From forest is natural compost. To try doing this right here. If you have a flower garden, come in here. Right now finished only raining. I show for you. This is raining. See right here, February start grow flower right here, and right here, my wife now finished it right here. We only start this property. We bring compost, put right here. My wife put right here ready ground inside compost. Before we have clay right here. This need mix it. Will be grow every flower perfect grow. If you want natural, no chemical property, if you have what's better for you, long life and healthy, no go to doctor. It's you doing yourself. You doing for healthy for you. Work your background. You healthy because freshly air. You work forest, pick up compost, moving. You have interest for life. You have good idea, and your life will be long time, not that early. Good luck. If you have questions, please put questions. Will be answered every time. If you want look more video, more will be continue video for this interest for compost, for background. Thank you very much. Doing like and subscribe. Thank you very much. We'll look in next video next time. Bye.